More open so we can.
Yeah, you're gonna actually cut here.
Like in the armpits, kind of. Like under the
Yeah,
armpits.
it's over here, and then you're gonna open.
Does it have like a hole like that?
I didn't know.
That's not right here.
Yes. Here you go. Good job, Sarah. You can be surgeon. Yeah.
Why are you cutting his arm off?
You cut that.
You cut it. You cut it, Mason. It's dissected.
Yes. Okay. Yeah.
Cut it up.
And then you're gonna cut going this. Okay, to open the thoracic cavity, the chest cavity.
That is real.
Yeah, you can use the scalpel also.
Baby, I got you.
Yeah, you can cut the ribs. That's fine.
I'm certified.
Just break the knife. Why are you trying to cut his arm off?
Just look at. Be careful, don't cut your own hand, okay?
That'd be good.
You guys doing good?
That's good.
Yeah.
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 Okay.
I don't care once it's open. I don't know what it was. It was seeing the full thing.
Now you can
Just
also
in the juice.
go up over here. Go a little bit up, open it in order to see the trachea and the larynx.
No, this is fine. It was. I don't know what seeing.
Okay, Danny, now spread it open here.
Oh my god.
Here you go. See?
You probably would have freaked out when we dissected birds last year.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can cut
Had the
here.
feathers and stuff.
Yeah, in order to open more the thoracic cavity.
Here we go. There it is.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Spread it. No, don't cut through it. No, spread it.
Hey, good job.
You got it.
Spread it. There's too much juice. I can't see it.
Go dump it out. Does yours have some juice in it? There's a full juice in this thing.
That thing, the dark thing at the bottom. What is it?
That's
right
lit.
there. Right there. That.
Oh, that's gonna be. Let me see.
Why is there so clean?
We have to open it again.
Went in like it was a chainsaw.
Mason's
Cut right through this.
Yeah, what is this?
What is this?
I don't
That's
know.
you cut through the heart. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's hard. I told you went too deep, dog.
That's fine. You still playing around, not problem. At least they're still there. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
just turn it over.
you're gonna open this. You're gonna open this one later.
Yo, Mason, do it, bro. You got this. You got this.
Mason goes
I got this.
It's good. So you can cut this over here. Cut it over here. And then cut over here. Then you should be able to open the cavity. Yeah. Yeah. You cut this one over here, here, and then you should be able to open the cavity. Okay. Now I'm gonna finish with.